Hi, I'm Angela Nicholson and I'm down at Canon UK's headquarters to take a look at the new Powershot S100. One of the most exciting things about the S100 is it's the first camera to feature Canon's new Digic 5 processor. This is 6 times the processing power of the Digic 4 processor that we've seen in Canon's earlier cameras. It enables the S100 to shoot a burst of 8 images at 9.6 frames a second at full resolution, and that's 12.1 million pixels. Canon's done some redesign work for the S100. As you can see, it's got this rubber strip here which acts as a finger grip, and on the rear there's a rubberized thumb grip. It's surprising how much difference these make. The camera is much more secure in your hand and it feels really comfortable to use. Next up, the lens. This now runs from the equivalent of 24 to 120mm, making it much more versatile than the 28 to 105 lens on the S95. Low light fans will appreciate that the maximum aperture at the wide angle lens is still f2. This ring around the lens is still used to make some settings adjustments, and whereas the S95 used to have a button on the top, the function button for the ring is now on the back. GPS is becoming a popular feature, and the S100 has a data logger that tags your images, so using the supplied software you can see where they were taken once they're downloaded. You can even see a map of your entire journey if you want. The camera is suitable for use by enthusiast photographers because it's got program, shutter priority, aperture priority and manual modes, but it's also useful for novices because as well as the automated mode, there's lots of scene modes. The S100 has a new intelligent image stabilization system. This is capable of recognising what you're doing with the camera, for example panning or shooting macro images, and then stabilising out the appropriate camera shake. Canon claims this allows shutter speeds up to 4 stops longer than normal to be used. On the back of the camera we've got the multi-control wheel, which is nice and responsive, but it's got a more positive click feel than the S95 had. Canon has introduced a new multi-area white balance system which is claimed to improve images taken in mixed lighting. This looks at the white balance of each pixel in the image and tunes it to find the optimum results. We're looking forward to testing this in the near future. Canon's introduced FlexiZone AF, so you can position the AF point exactly where you want it. It seems that no camera is complete without the ability to shoot video these days, and the S100 can shoot 1080p movies at 24 frames per second. So there we have it, Canon's new Powershot S100.